A very important aspect of communication has been taken up. That's about development. Because while we look at entertainment and brand building and information sharing as roles of communication, often we miss out the role of development, social change, behavioral change, information about development with the larger masses. So this aspect has been taken up, and they are trying to also bring academics and practice of communication in the development context. There is also a differentiation between development and growth, which is being discussed. The role of economics, politics, communication and technology. All four are being looked at, so it's a very useful one. As far as a suggestion is concerned, point one, you can only be effective and impactful if you reflect the society from which you come. So a lot is needed in today's communication, whether it's entertainment, journalism or brand building, that communication should reflect the social reality. So that's first point. And the second point I would like to note is that technology savviness. We are knowing a lot of things, but we are doing much less. I am appreciating that you are making a documentary out of this whole program. So action oriented, technology knowledge, technology use, this sort of things also required. Much of media education is highly classroom centric. It has to be experiential, learning by doing, practical. So that's second part. And the third aspect is to connect the hinterland of the society, urban India and the global context. This global aspect, local in application but global in outlook, that global aspect is also necessary for communicators of tomorrow. These are the few things I would like to suggest. Not just take it as a subject for marks and degree, but actually a tool, a skill and a concept which can be applied for social change. Thank you.
Fine, sir. I would just like to ask how you are feeling coming to Bhubaneswar, and how do you like about the ambience of the city?
I am Professor Ujjwal Chowdhury, Dean of Pearl Academy and former Dean of Symbiosis and Amity Universities. I have been coming to Bhubaneswar earlier a few times as well. The best part of Bhubaneswar is it blends the modern techno-savvy smart city concept with the traditional temple and heritage township. This blend, and it's a very planned city as you know, this blend is something very useful and productive and a point of role model for other urban development in the country.